If you want to change your suggested reels on Instagram or reset your Instagram algorithm, this tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Inside this section, select your algorithm. From here, Instagram lets you customize the type of content and reels you want to see more or less of. If there's a topic you enjoy, tap the plus icon next to that category to tell Instagram you want more similar content. You can also tap Add and manually type topics or types of reels you're interested in. On the other hand, if there are videos or topics you don't want showing up in your feed, you can add those under the What do you want to see less of section. This helps Instagram adjust your recommendations over time. You can also tap the three dots in the top corner and select More Content Preferences for additional settings. Finally, if you want a complete fresh start, tap on Reset Suggested Content. Then press Next and confirm by selecting Reset Suggested Content again. This will reset your Instagram recommendations and help rebuild your algorithm based on the content you interact with moving forward. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips and tutorials.